Today I'm diving deep into the world of banking to find out if they're really hiding money from us. Can I uncover the secrets they don't want you to know? You walk into a bank, deposit your paycheck, and think your money is right there, waiting for you to use it. But have you ever stopped to think about how banks actually manage your funds? It's not just about storing your cash in a vault. There's a lot more going on behind the scenes. Many of us assume that when we deposit money into our accounts, it's immediately available for us to use, but that's not always the case. There are often fees associated with certain types of accounts, and if you're not careful, you could end up with a negative balance. Even if you have a substantial amount of money in your account, hidden fees can quickly eat into that. For example, some banks charge monthly maintenance fees if your balance falls below a certain threshold. These fees can add up quickly, and before you know it, you've lost track of your money. Not to mention overdraft fees, which can be especially painful if you're not careful. Another thing to consider is that banks use your deposited funds to make money of their own. They invest your cash in various assets, which can sometimes keep funds away from your immediate access. You might not even realize that your money is being used this way. Banks operate on a system that requires minimum balances, and they charge fees for services like account maintenance or overdrafts. Your money is often used to fund loans to other customers or invested in low-risk assets, which can limit how quickly you can access it. The reality is that banks make money from fees, and sometimes these fees can be pretty steep. Unused accounts or dormant balances can also contribute to this problem. You might have an old account lying around that you're not even using, and the bank is still charging you fees on it. The truth is surprising. Banks hold on to a significant amount of money in fees and unused accounts. These funds can add up quickly, and it's essential to be aware of how your money is being managed. To recap, it's crucial to understand how your bank operates and what fees you might be subject to. Being aware of your banking situation and your rights as a customer can save you a lot of money in the long run. If you've had any experiences with hidden bank fees or unutilized funds, share them in the comments below. Also, check out my other video on personal finance tips to learn more about managing your money effectively.